This is Melbourne JVM for November. So, welcome everyone. And yeah, that's visible. So we've got two sponsors. So Aconex are sponsoring the venue and the drinks. And Doc Moses are sponsoring the food and also our wonderful labels, which we'll get to in a minute. So tonight we got two great talks. So we're going to start off with Con and probably myself going through how we create these wonderful name tags with Doc Moses and Spring Boot. Come on, Ellie. Come on.
You can make that chair.
Jeez. And then Aaron Walker will be going through how to set up Docker for sort of a modern day developer environment. Uh-oh. Whew. And now the prize is, as always, the JetBrains Raffle. Who has a Raffle ticket at the moment? All right. When we break in between talks briefly, look at Annie in the front row in the suit. Grab a ticket from him. A little bit of news. So, Global Day of Code Retreat. So this is a yearly event hosted in REA Group's Richmond offices this year. Yeah, it's a great opportunity to learn about a new programming language. Is there someone else here that could explain this better? Sorry to put you on the spot there.
I can say a few words. I'm one of the organizers of Code Retreat. I know that few guys from this community have been to previous events already. It's basically the holiday events on Saturday in 2 weeks. We're gonna practice all the best software development practices like TDD or four rules of simple design. The codes will have to pass all the tests. Need to be dry, so no duplication. And we're gonna put some constraints like no statements, pure functions. We'll think of some other constraints as well. So everyone is welcome. We have still about 10 tickets left. Tickets are on Eventbrite. Just search for Melbourne Code Retreat and welcome.
Yeah, so we've put the URL there, but just Google Melbourne Code Retreat and it's pretty much the first result. Thanks, Thomas. News. So DZone's guide to the Java ecosystem came out recently-ish, and I sort of went through it and looked at the Cliff Notes version. So, you know, people are adopting new versions of Java faster. This is probably more because it's getting some more interesting features and there's more onus on the developers to get that up there. There's a great deal of interest in containers and microservices, which goes nicely with Aaron's talk. And this one was interesting. So they said, so this was a survey of Java developers, and they reckon Java EE and Spring have pretty much equal usage. And the next one, Eclipse still leads, like 54%. And I think the interesting things to come out of that line is most IntelliJ users are paid users, and Eclipse users don't really trust that it's getting better.
Just out of curiosity, given that IntelliJ are changing their licensing to their subscription model, anybody thinking about going back to Eclipse from it? Or,
Show of hands for anyone who's going back to Eclipse. Yeah, that sounds about right. And lastly, Maven is still leading the build tool race. This is kind of surprising. I feel sorry for anyone still on Ant. But Java 1 came and went. There wasn't that much new that I saw in the keynotes. It seemed to be a bit sort of more of the same. So they pushed IoT and clouds because Oracle's all about the cloud. modularity in Java 9 is coming, but again, that's something that we already knew. There's the state of the module system white paper that you can read. And beyond Java 9, you know, value types and integration with C and C++, which is kind of, you know, a bit of a repeat of what happened last time. IntelliJ 15 been released with the license change, so it's now a subscription model. I won't dwell on that. Stickers! Exclamation marks. Where are the stickers?
We have no stickers.
That's a good question. No,
Oh, right. Sorry, they're in front of me. Yeah, so you can see one here. So we've got several hundred of these. So if anyone wants one of these to stick on their laptop, again, come up.
Get out.
No?
You gotta transfer.
No. Yeah, so come up between the speaker break and get one of these for your laptop. Okay, next meetup, 2nd of December, last meetup of the year. We'll be back at ThoughtWorks, and we've got some great talks on Kafka and Kinesis. So yeah, RSVP as soon as possible.